The Industry Achievement Award, established in 1966, honors individuals from irrigation industry firms who have advanced our industry or products used in irrigation. Today, 2 individuals are being recognized. Our first Industry Achievement Award recipient is a man whose vision was ahead of its time in the mid-1970s. Gershon Eckstein is credited with numerous irrigation patents. His biggest achievement was the perfection of an inline integrated dripper. A patent was issued September 21st, 1976 for a method of manufacturing pipes with integrated dripper units. His invention was to inset the drippers into the irrigation pipe during the extrusion process rather than cutting the pipe and inserting the dripper later. The invention eliminated the necessity of assembling units at the irrigation site. However, Gershon's invention was not readily embraced by the industry, and it was a long time before it was adopted. In addition to his creative genius, Gershon Eckstein was a man of conviction. Fortunately, Gershon was determined to implement his inventions and persevered. Such is the mark of brilliance, knowing when to quit and when to push ahead. Gershon's invention revolutionized drip irrigation and forever changed the drip irrigation market. His production method is still the industry standard for major irrigation companies around the world. The end product has also proven itself worldwide, and over 30 years since it was first patented, is still used. Today, with our gratitude, the industry recognizes Gershon's creative genius, engineering skills, determination, and prolific contributions. I'm honored to present this 2007 Irrigation Association Industry Achievement Award to Gershon Eckstein.
Good morning. First, I would like to thank the Irrigation Association for this prestigious award. I've been involved in the industry for over 30 years. This award was given to me as a recognition of my contribution and impact on the irrigation industry. Thank you for this recognition. I would like to thank also my family for their support over the years. Their support and trust took us to many countries around the world. First, it was Greece to start a small company named Eurodrip. And then it was Fresno to start another small company named Drip In. I also would like to thank all my friends and associates that supported this nomination. Some of you are here today, and I would like to thank you for your kind letters, acknowledgement, and assistance. Thank you. The award was given to me for my invention to insert a dripper into the pipe while the pipe is extruded. Today, there are hundreds of manufacturers around the world that utilize the same idea. Today's equipment is faster than the equipment of 30 years ago. For example, my equipment today can insert and perforate over 500 drippers per minute. Comparison to my first equipment that could only run 80 cycles. However, fast and sophisticated the machinery is today, it still uses the same original idea. Nowadays, we take this technology for granted. However, at the beginning, it took a lot of convincing. I remember in particular one story in the early days of Eurodrip. At that time, we already sold products, GR drip lines. By the way, the GR name is still used today by many manufacturers that probably don't know even how that the GR acronym comes from. My name, Gershon, and my wife's name, Ruth. GR. When we began marketing the product, the competition started a rumor that in a hot day, the inline drippers get loose in the pipe and all end up at the end of the lateral. We know now that it didn't happen. However, at the time, we had to convince the farmers. First, we boiled water and then placed segments of pipe in the hot water, proving to them that the drippers don't go anywhere. I was also pleased to see the universal adaptation of my invention and to know that I had such an impact on the manufacturing community, even if most of them today are actually unaware of how it has all started. This award is a recognition of this invention, its effect on the industry, and a small reminder to how it all began. Thank you very much.
Let me get you the plaque.